This is a commercial bathroom floor, and I will show you how the grout will look after cleaning. Of course that this is just a demo because we cannot clean a big flooring and a lot of grout lines with a small brush. Wipe with a cotton rag and wait hours to dry. We use professional equipment, tools, and cleaning agents to perform this job, leaving your floor clean. We speed the drying process by placing air movers on the floor, so the floor is gonna dry fast. And we recommend to seal the tile and grout after cleaning, so it will prevent to reinstain and it will be easy to clean it again. Contact anyhousecleaning.com to clean and seal your tile and grout. You can see now another job, how we are doing, using a vapor steamer, cleaning all the grout lines and using an OP machine. This beautiful custom red-blue OP orbital machine is an ultimate technology to deep scrub your tile and grout. And of course, it will dry your floor fast. Any house cleaning is always proud of our work, and we always invest in professional equipment to serve you better. Thank you for watching. anyhousecleaning.com 407-572-4118.